This video will demonstrate the use of ParaView for advanced rendering of Plaxis 3D results, and more specifically, the superposition of normal force in plate to solid geometry with consideration of the deformed shape. So here we present a slice model of a high levee with baited pile and sheet pile wall. We will first consider using the extract mesh entity scripting and extract from this model the geometry for beam, plates, soil, and interfaces. We will first focus on the plate geometry, and for the plate geometry, start displaying normal force 1 as a result. You see it here. We will also combine this with the warp by vector in order to consider the same representation as normal force 1 coloring, but with the consideration of displacement swapping the geometry, so corresponding to the deformed mesh. We will do that using a factor of 25. And now we could start visualizing the first animation of this. We will do now the same for the soil. So we will here use just a solid color for the coloring and use some opacity in order to see through and visualize the plate results. And now we will also combine the soil with the same warp by vector filter in order to obtain also the soil in its deformed shape. So clicking on warp by vector, using still a solid color, some opacity, and then use the same factor of 25. And that's it. And now we could start playing that animation all the way through. And start looking into more details.